Once there was a lovely quail family who set out one sunny afternoon to go visit Grandmama, who wasn't feeling very well. All right, children, now listen here. Grandma is not feeling very well today. So we're going to go ahead and find some food that she loves along the way. And we're going to make her feel so much better. Okay, so you stay close to Mama. And here we go. Oh my goodness, there's a grasshopper all ready for us. Oh, Grandma will love that. Grandma loves grasshoppers. So Mama Quail put the grasshopper on her back. And the quail family set off to see poor Grandma. Well, the quail family came to a lovely bridge. When little Quentin ran ahead of his mother. "Quentin, you get back here right this instant." "I'm okay, Mama, I promise I'm okay." When all of a sudden, a cicada bug flew in. "Ah, scary bug, scary bug!" And off he ran back to his mama. Well, Mama Quail scolded Quentin. "Now, Quentin, no more funny business. You stick with Mama, and then you'll be safe. All right, children, let's go across the bridge together." "Yes, Mama." And so the quail family came along and found a worm. "Oh, goody. Grandma loves worms. We should get this worm for her. Oh, it looks so plump and delicious." "Oh, Mama, could I carry it for Grandma? I would like to surprise her." "Why, certainly you can. Just put the little worm on your back." And so Quililla, with the help of the narrator, put the little worm on her back. "I'm so excited. Grandma will be proud of me." And so she got back in her spot, and they all went along happily to find more things. "Mama, did you see that cute rabbit? Not all little animals are bad." "I know, Quentin, but you must hurry along and still not talk to strangers. No talking to strangers." "Okay, Mama." And so the quail family kept on going. Oh dear, I have lost my little grasshopper." "All right, listen, children, you stay here. Do not talk to strangers. And if something bad happens, hide behind some bushes or fly if you must. Stay here now." "Well, at least we still have the worm, Quentin. Grandma will like the worm, don't you think?" "Oh, yeah, worms are great." Soon, a little baby fox came by. "Hi, guys." "Oh, hello. I've got something you might want." "Oh, yeah, a juicy grasshopper. Just come a little closer, and you can take it." Quentin, don't listen to him. "Fly, Quentin, fly. Hurry, this is an emergency. Fly." "Oh, rats. I was hoping for a nice little quail dinner. Grasshoppers are not really my favorite. Bleh. It's just going to stay there." "Look, Quentin, the grasshopper. Why don't you put it on your back?" "Oh, boy, will I ever. Grandma will be so proud of me." With the help of the narrator, Quentin got his grasshopper. "Oh, I'm so excited." "Yeah, now we both have something." And soon Mama Quail came back. "Oh, Oh, good. Oh, good, you found the grasshopper. I couldn't find one anywhere, so I'm so glad you did. Okay, let's go to see Grandma. Soon the Quail family arrived at Grandma's. First came Mama Quail and then her little baby chicks. Where's Grandma, Mama? Oh, she'll be coming. Hello, dearies. Oh, it's so good to see you. I haven't been feeling myself lately and haven't gotten out. I'm just so glad to see you all. Oh, Grandma, I brought you a juicy worm, and I want you to have it. So it's going to go right on your back instead of mine. Well, thank you, my love. You're such a little sweetheart. And Grandma, guess what I got you? Your favorite, a grasshopper. Off my back and onto yours. Oh, my goodness. Quentin, how could you? That's just so lovely of you. Thank you, Grandma. You guys are so wonderful. Thank you for coming and taking care of me. Well, Grandma, Mama, we love you. Yeah, Grandma, we love you. Oh, boy, do we ever. And so the happy Quail family spent a wonderful afternoon together.
Hi guys! So today our letter is the letter Q, but we say qua as in quiet or qua as in quarter. This is a little qua. Notice the bubble goes away from the honey line. I had to color it orange because our card is yellow. So this is qua, little qua. This is a big qua, as in queen.
Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie. How are you today? Okay, so we are going to go over our letter Q, which says qua. It's always followed by this little letter that says for up. Okay? And here's a plain one. Here's a qua without the second part that you'll practice writing. And here's a pa for pizza or pufferfish. I don't want you to get these two mixed up, okay? Pizza and pufferfish, they love the honey line. And they're a line letter, okay? And they go toward the honey line because they like honey. You dip your pizza crust in the honey, and pufferfish love honey. But qua for quail, oh, they don't like their feathers to get sticky. Oh, no. They're called a circle letter. Clock letters. They go away from the honey line. So one has the nose away, and one has their nose to the honey line. So don't get them mixed up. Okay. Now, here's our little bird from the story. She remembered to tell her brother to fly up, up, up because of the fox. Okay? Qua. This letter says for up. Qua. You can even hear it. Qua for up. Okay, so we're going to practice with flower first. Here's our flower. Here's the clock. We're just going to make a little qua. Starting at the 2, it's a circle letter. All the way around. And then go all the way down. Okay? Didn't have much room for that. Take the clock off. Okay, there we go. Now we're ready for our lines to write on with our cover letter sheets. Okay, first I'm going to show you something. All right, here's a little qua. Remember, this goes up. And then here's a big qua. Okay, the little qua doesn't use up the top space, only the bottom space, and the tail goes down into the grass. But the big qua uses the top space and the bottom space, and it doesn't go in the grass. Okay, so we're going to get started. All right, so remember, we are going to start at the 2 on the clock or the cherry, And then you go all the way around. And then go straight down into the grass. And then we're going to make a smile and a stem. Kwa. Again. Kwa. One more. Good job. We have 3 quas. Kwa, kwa, and kwa. Kwa, kwa, kwa. Yes. Okay, flip it over. And we're going to practice our big quas. Okay, now you can see that the big qua takes up the top space and the bottom space, but doesn't need any grass. And then here's another section. Okay, so we start at the 2, all the way around. And then right here, and make a tail. And then we're going to make our smile and then a stem. That's a big kwa. Remember, this says for up. And again, start at the cherry, all the way around, and a tail, a smile, and a stem. Kwa. Very good. 2 more. Big circle, and a little tail, a smile, and a stem. Kwa. Big circle, and a tail. Yes, we've got big quas. We've got 4 of them. Kwa, 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 kwa. Qua for quarters. Hi guys, Jerome here. We are going to do some letter art. Yeah! Okay, we're going to turn this little qua into a quail bird. Qua, can you see it? It's kind of hidden. Okay, first I'm going to get my marker. We're going to go ahead and draw the qua part. Here we go. Circle and a tail. And then make your, well, let's wait on the other part. Put an eye in there. And a dot. And another half. And a dot. Okay, and a little beak. All right, and the feathers on top. The quail feathers. Nice. A little curly in there. And then you can see about the middle of the line here. You're going to do a little curve. And then another curve to match to go up to meet it. And then some feathers. And then a straight leg going down a diagonal. And then little feet. And then a little bendy leg. And a little foot. And a little wing. All right, there's our bird part, and then we need the smile and the stem. Remember, like Ellie showed you for the up. All right, now it's very hidden. It's kind of hard to see, but you have to look closely. There's the qua for quail. All right, now we're going to do the big qua. For Queen Quail. All right, first we're going to draw the big circle. And then the tail. Okay, and then there's a little line right there. And a circle for the eye, and then a half a circle. And a dot. And don't forget the half circle over there. And the dot. And the little beak. And the eyelashes. After all, it's the queen. We need eyelashes. And then the crown. And then little tiny circles or dots on the corners. And then her quail feathers. Very curvy. Okay, maybe make this line a little darker so we can see. Yeah, separate the head from the body. And let's see. This needs to be turned into a little wing. I think that we forgot that. Let's do it on this one. Okay, so we're going to turn this into a little wing. We're going to give the queen some tail feathers. Yeah, and then some feet. There's a foot, just like the other one. And a little shoe. She's got a little shoe. And then a little bendy leg. And another little shoe. And then we need the smile and the stem. Okay, so it says Kwa. Let's go make this darker. And then make the circle a little darker. All right, so we can see our letter a little better. Now we're going to put some texture in it. So we got some little choppy lines and some little ovals, like circles stretched out, and then some more choppy lines. And then some ovals. And more little lines. And there's our queen quail. Ta-da! Good job, guys.
Hello there, Ellie here. How are you? So, I have a little cue which says Kwa for queen, and I have a big cue which also says Kwa. I am a Kwa queen today.
Hi, guys. Jerome here. You probably don't recognize me. I am supposed to be a duck. All right. This costume is very itchy. All right, so what do ducks say? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Okay, I'm going to go change. Bye.